Hello viewers, Mr.J01 here. I'm here with my Discord friends. Go ahead and say hi to the camera.
Hello. Hello. Wait, do I have to turn on my camera?
You don't have to, but I'm just doing this for the sake of it. But this right here is a bulk dominoes record for dominoes toppled underwater. I have 128 dominoes, including the ones that are on top of other dominoes, not really underwater, but whatever. And we're gonna go on top of this right now. Here we go. I'm gonna count me down, guys.
1 row is not topple, completely topple.
Well, we're gonna count that anyways. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and
The last row
see you next
is not
time.